for any relationship to grow, what do we need? What is needed? For any relationship to mature, to grow stronger together, there must be a conscious effort that must be done by both sides. No relationship is simply born out of chance. Nga nagtapad lang mo sa rural, dahil nagsabot mong magminyo, it will not happen. Nga mo pa'y pag-ila ninyo, magminyo dahil mong duha. No relationship is born simply out of chance. And so there must be a conscious relationship. And it thrives, it grows when there is what we call mutual self-revelation. Self-revelation. What do we mean by that? Mutual self-revelation. From the word mutual, you both agree. Self-revelation, you reveal yourself to the other. So, mutual self-revelation is, I allow myself to be known by the other, and the other allows himself to be known by me. That is mutual self-revelation. And that is very important when we relate with God. Because I know you, each of us has a relationship with God. But the question is it mutual? Kana, is there a mutual self-revelation? Sige, let's try to check. Check pod mo. If we look at the side of God, na ba say self-revelation to us? The answer is 100%. We are sure that He is always interested with us. He is in a constant relationship with us. He wants to reveal Himself to us. God always wants to reach out to us. God always wants to know us. And the greatest evidence is that what happened on the cross. It's like telling, this is who I am. This is my nature. This is who God is. A God who is forgiving. A God who is compassionate. A God who is merciful. This is who I am. This is how I reveal myself to you, that I am not a punisher. I am a God of love. I care for you. I am always interested with you. I want to know you. So on the side of God, my dear friends, there is always a conscious relationship. But the big question is on our side. Are we always in that kind of a conscious relationship with God? Sige daw, how about you and me? How about you and me? If God gave everything, how about you? Are you giving God everything? Are you giving God 100% of your attention, your time, presence, etc., your gifts, your talents? Basta na ginuuray na ni kamot. Lisod ba ng magtiayon, di ba, couples? If one of you is not faithful to the relationship, what usually happens? Di ba? Lami rin ng both parties are really interchanging, passing, giving and taking. Lindot ra gyud unta. So if that happens, then this is the reason why there is no mutuality in the relationship. Because with all the efforts done by God in reaching out to us, there is always that hesitation on our part. We are not always generous in responding to God. And the effect, kabalo mo, unsa? We become negative in dealing with problems in life. We easily complain. We easily give up. Ingon ana, basta we do not know the person very well, then there is no trust. Because if we know the person well, what will be established first and foremost is trust. That no matter what happens, this person whom you know very much is there for you.